The L298N is an integrated monolithic circuit. It is used to drive a pair of DC motors, electric motors that are direct current. If you are new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button for free. In this video, we will be discussing to you closely the components of an L298N, specifically its pins. If you look closer, you have noticed that the lower right part has 8 pins. It has two 5-volt pins where you connect the VCC. It has two enable pins to activate the left and right sides individually, and it has 4 input pins like an H-bridge motor. We have already discussed the 8 pins. To its lower left, just beside it, there are 3 large pins, 12 volts, ground, and 5 volts. The ground is 0 volts, obviously. But the 12 volts is the maximum voltage that an L298N can handle. So it has the same maximum voltage as an Arduino Uno microcontroller. But the 5 volts is an active high connection, meaning that it's in VCC mode. For the motors A and B, you have noticed that there are 2 big pins that are connected to them independently. Each motor can be driven clockwise or counterclockwise. If we zoom out again the circuit connection, you have noticed that every DC motor has 2 pins, because one is to make it move clockwise and the other one is to spin counterclockwise. That's why there's a total of 4 pins that are dedicated to the 2 DC motors. Meanwhile, the 12 volts and ground are meant to be the pins for the power source. And then the 12 volts, speaking about the maximum voltage of the Arduino Uno and the L298N IC, you have noticed that a 12 volt current is going on both components, the microcontroller and the IC. If you look at the analog input of an Arduino Uno, you have noticed that there are 6 input pins. This can be used to get data from a joystick, which has 4 pins. VCC for the positive terminal and ground for the negative terminal. It also has X and Y inputs that are to be fed to the analog inputs of the Arduino. Because X refers to the horizontal movement and Y refers to the vertical one. You can use it to drive a toy car where one motor will move the car backward or forward and the other one will turn left or right, specifically the steering wheel. You can also drive a pair of elevators independently, up and down each of them. You can also use it to fly by wire, a pair of wings, where the left and right ones move independently. I hope you find this video interesting to watch, because this is the circuit behind driving a pair of DC motors.